Are you tired of paying $20 a month for Claude Pro only to get hit with out-of-messages warnings? What if you could unlock unlimited access to Anthropic's best models, pay fractions of a cent, and keep your data entirely private? Let me show you how using TensorPilot. First, open the AI Providers Setup tab in TensorPilot. Click the link next to Claude to jump straight to their developer console. Click Create Key, give it a quick name, and copy it to your clipboard. Head back to TensorPilot, paste your key, and hit Save. Now, when we check the All Models tab, you've instantly unlocked the entire Claude lineup. Notice the live pricing column? There are no $20 subscription traps here. You pay wholesale, pay-as-you-go prices for exactly what you use, with absolutely zero message limits. Claude is famous for its massive 200,000 token context window, but web browsers often lag or crash with heavy files. Watch this. I am dragging an 80-page Apple financial report directly into TensorPilot's working set. We will select Claude Sonnet 4.6 and ask it to extract the exact revenue for the services division, comparing it to 2022 in a markdown table. Because TensorPilot is a native desktop app, it processes tens of thousands of tokens flawlessly in seconds. And the best part? If we check the live cost meter, analyzing this massive enterprise document cost just a few pennies. You aren't paying a flat fee, you only pay for the exact compute you use. Claude Sonnet 4.6 is also widely considered the best coding model in the world right now. Let's paste a complex prompt for a Python web scraper using Beauty Soup. Watch how fast this generates. It includes error handling and CSV exports exactly as requested. And once again, this entire enterprise-grade script cost just fractions of a cent. But watch this. Instead of copying and pasting, I tell TensorPilot to save the code directly to my local TaskFlow folder. The Python file is instantly written to my hard drive. No app switching, just seamless. Not sure which Claude model fits your workload? TensorPilot's Model Arena puts Claude Opus 4.6 against Claude Fable 5 side by side. Test instruction following, speed, and token cost, then pick the winner before scaling. But here is the ultimate feature for developers and CTOs, data privacy. TensorPilot encrypts your API keys locally on your device. They never touch a cloud server. Stop renting your AI, bypass the message limits, and start owning your workspace. Download TensorPilot from the link in the description today.